Good afternoon. My name is Seung Han Lim. I'm a PhD and representing the KCL. I didn't know here is the interpreter, so I prepared the script because English is not my mother language. So I will speak in English because I want to give my correct intentions to you. So please listen carefully. The title of our presentation is Forging a Partnership to Create Actionable Solutions for UAS Reliability. So we are here to present a set of concrete, actionable ideas for a powerful partnership. So our goal is to identify key areas of mutual interest and establish clear strategic directions for our technical teams. So today is about finding a win-win partnership. So we propose a clear path forward. So once we align on key ideas here, so our organizations can then discuss how to secure the best funding programs to bring these ideas to our real life. So with that in mind, let me begin. For those not familiar with us, the KCL is one of Korea's largest and most trusted testing and evaluation organizations. So our scale is significant with a strong track record of R&D projects and ISO standard proposals. So these numbers represent more than just statistics. They represent a deep institutional knowledge in turning advanced research into verifiable, standardized, and safe applications. So our expertise spans a wide range of industries, which gives us a unique system-level perspective that is critical for complex systems like UAS. So our work is supported by 36 offices and specialized labs across the nation. This includes highly specialized facilities like our Mobility Center for Proportional Systems and our Center for Climatic Environment Testing, so which are directly relevant to ensuring our UAS reliability. So while our history in aerospace is more recent, our entry is very strategic and officially endorsed. Our capabilities have earned the recognition of the Korean government. This trust is built on our proven expertise in ensuring the reliability of other critical systems, such as electrical vehicle batteries and advanced electronics. So as a result, KCL has been entrusted to lead the establishment of critical national infrastructure, including test and evaluation infrastructure for electric propulsion systems at the Gohung Aerospace Center. So our commitment also extends to the space sector and international standardizations. We are developing the Center for Space Launch Vehicle Technology Commercialization and are an active participant in ISO TC20 for aircraft and space vehicles. This unique combination is the foundation upon which we propose to build a partnership. So what is our role in this landscape? So we see ourselves as a central nexus. So we connect the Korean government, research institutes, global standards bodies like ISO and ASTM, and aerospace companies. So our mission is to foster a competitive industrial ecosystem. A key part of our strategy is building deep ties with the United States. So our ongoing partnership with ASM International is a vital first step. So we have already the MOC with ASM International between KCL and ASM International. This brings us to why we are here. So aviation safety is shifting to a performance-based and risk-based framework. So in this new paradigm, companies must demonstrate safety and reliability. So this is where industrial standards and rigorous tests and evaluation become absolutely critical. They provide a common framework and accepted language for demonstrating safety and building public trust. So with this understanding, we have developed our proposals. So our first proposal is the joint development of standards and test procedures. We see this as a foundational step for an efficient trans-Pacific UAS ecosystem. Our objective is very simple: to co-develop harmonized standards. Instead of creating separate rules, we build them together from the start. So we believe a strong US-Korea partnership can become the leading standard for East Asia, providing US companies a smoother path to other key markets like Korea and Japan. The ultimate goal is to support mutual recognition between our national aviation authorities. For example, test results from a world-class site like North Dakota's could be accepted by both the FAA and its Korean counterpart as a valid basis for certification. So this eliminates a repeating costly test. How do we start? So we propose focused pilot projects on areas like BVLOS operations. We know North Dakota is a global leader here. So by combining your operational expertise with our lab-based verification, we can create a truly robust safety standard. To manage this, we would establish a joint working group. Their main task is to co-develop these performance-based standards and the means of compliance, or MOC. So the MOC is the how-to guide for proving safety. Creating a common MOC is the key to this entire opportunity. So if our first proposal is the rule book, our second is about the evidence to write that book. So robust standards needs robust data. This leads to our proposal for a joint analysis program for shared test and evaluation data. The objective is to move towards data-driven decisions to enhance overall aviation safety. We want to predict and prevent failures by understanding data from both lab tests and real-world operations. This is where our synergy is most powerful. We propose to create a unique world-class dataset by pooling KCL's lab data with North Dakota's operational flight data. In simple terms, our data explains why a component fails, and your operational data shows what fails and when. So combining them gives us a complete picture, I think. So we would start by defining the scope of the shared data and establishing a secure data platform. Finally, we would co-author technical reports and papers. The goal is to publish findings that can guide regulatory policy and provide invaluable safety insights to the global industry. In a sense, this is about building the world's best UAS reliability data set to make flying safer for everyone. Our first two proposals are concrete actions, but how do we ensure that they continue? This brings us to our third proposal, a strategic partnership and technology exchange. The objective is a long-term evolving partnership for new challenges like AAM. So we all know about the roadmap for AAM type certification published by leading aviation authorities, including the FAA. So we fully support this philosophy. However, we also know that agreements between national authorities can take time. This is our unique opportunity. While final authority rests with national bodies, the foundational work, the testing, data analysis, compliance methods can be accelerated through direct agile partnerships. We believe a KCL North Dakota partnership can be a pioneering implementation model for the NAA roadmap. We can be the agile engine that drives harmonization on the ground. So to make this real, we suggest establishing a joint steering committee with regular meetings and facility visits. This committee would oversee joint R&D and help us co-explore next generation technologies. So in short, this is about creating a durable framework for innovation. and putting the high-level vision of international cooperation into practice, starting right here. Okay, in closing, I would like to summarize our proposal. So we have presented 3 interconnected ideas: building the rulebook together, creating a shared knowledge base with joint data, and establishing a durable framework for a long-term partnership. So as we shared, KCL stands as a national-level institution in Korea, as an institution entrusted by our government with a proven track record. So it is this authority and capability that we bring to the table as a committed and reliable partner. So what makes this proposal unique is its model of collaboration. So we believe these initiatives represent a new, more agile path forward. A direct and autonomous collaboration between a state government like North Dakota's and a national test and evaluation organization like KCL can accelerate progress on the ground. This partnership is more than just a project. We truly believe it can serve as the cornerstone for vitalizing the border aviation industry exchange between the United States and Korea. So these standards we build together, the data we analyze together, and the trust we forge here can pave the way for our industries to flourish together. So thank you for your time and attention. We are excited about this potential of this partnership and look forward to our continued discussion. So thank you for your attention.